What's up, guys? Your boy's back. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, because I'm having a beautiful day today. Today, I'm gonna try something new. Alright guys, if you've been watching my YouTube videos, you know I love trying things that are new. So, today we have 10 things that you'll need to know before landing in Hargeisa, Somaliland. Alright guys, there's going to be a bonus one as well at the end of the video, so make sure you stay till the end of the video to get that special KO bonus. Alright guys, so let's get this video underway. So, as I said, 10 things, but these are going to be short 10 KO tips. Alright, I'm not going to go into too much details. If you guys want me to go into more details, alright, leave a comment down below which one you would like me to video next. Alright, and I'll put that in priority, whoever gets the most votes. And make sure you smash that like button. Let's try to get 300 likes, alright guys? Let's get 300 likes and then I'll put out the next video that you guys want me to video. I'm here for you. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, trust me, you're missing out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where I have it's basically like a daily vlog. Trust me, I love the camera so much. I basically put out so many things on my Instagram. Places to eat, different types of food, some tips, like my daily life. Basically, if you guys want to see my daily life, follow my Instagram. Alright guys, just want to say thanks so much, KO squad. I love you guys so much for all the support. And yeah, there's something that's happening coming up soon that I'll need your guys help with. Alright, but I'll make sure to tell you at the end, so make sure you stick about, because there's going to be a bonus 11th. Remember that. Now let's get into the top 10. KO tip number 1, or hull. Alright guys, airport fee. As soon as you land in the airport, if you got basically like on a Western passport, not a Somali passport, any kind of passport, is you need to pay airport fee. The airport fee is $60 for non-Somali passports, and I heard for Somali passport is $15. But I heard someone got away with a British passport, they paid Somali fee. So if you're a good talker, do your thing and maybe get away with it. Tip number 2, or lubber. Alright guys, once you come out of the airplane, when you're picking up your bags, there's going to be a very confusing moment, okay? There's going to be 2 telephone companies, Telesom on your left hand side and Somtel on your right hand side. Alright guys, these are the only 2 telephone companies here in Somaliland. So Telesom, mostly people use that for calling each other, right? Most of the people are on Telesom, while Somtel is really good with the Wi-Fi and the internet. Alright guys, so I say go for Telesom, because you'll be calling people mostly. Alright, so go get Telesom SIM card. Now if you have a dual SIM, get a Somtel as well. If you want me to go into more details, remember, hit that like button. Tip number 3, or sadah. Alright guys, so you obviously want to get from the airport to the city. Now transportation here in Somaliland, okay, if you're going from the airport, there's airport taxis now. We have airport taxis. We also have normal taxis. When you get into town center, we have normal taxis. We have 3 types of taxis. We've got Dawei, Sahel, and normal flag taxis, the one that you can just like flag with your hands. Alright guys? We also have buses. Buses that take you everywhere around Hargeisa. Alright? Now, if you're going to Borama, that's a different place. Borama has something called tuk-tuks. You know tuk-tuks, or they're called bajaj. If you haven't watched my video about Borama, make sure you go up there to the cards, click on that, you can go watch it. But go watch it after you watch all of this. Alright guys, trust me, you want to watch this all. Alright, so Borama has bajaj or tuk-tuks, and Hargeisa has buses, taxis. Next is private cars. I know I used to do when I was younger, you used to get like families, big families used to get like a driver who has a 4x4, because you want to go on trips and things. So there is also private hire, okay? I'm not sure of any companies, but yeah. KO tip number 4, or offer. Alright guys, this is very important. Let's get close, alright? Safety. Safety is amazing here. Alright guys, it's so safe here, Somaliland. I've lived here for 2 years now. Alhamdulillah, nothing has happened to me, but Somaliland is safe. Let me tell you that again, let me repeat it. Somaliland is safe. Alright guys, so make sure you come. Alright guys, you just have to watch out, of course, now for the small petty theft, like phone theft, especially in dark places. Just don't go to dark places on your phone because someone's gonna rob your phone. That's like somewhere worldwide. You should know that. All right, guys. Other than that, Somaliland's safe. If you want me to go into more details, remember you gotta hit that like button and comment below if you want that one. All right, guys. Let's go to tip number 5 or shun. All right, guys. It's about money. We all know we love that money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. All right, guys, you know everyone loves the money. So what I'm going to say about money is we have 2 types of currencies over here. We have the dollar, USA dollars, USD dollars, and we also have the Somaliland shilling. All right, guys, these are the 2 currencies we have. We also have something, I haven't seen Somaliland shillings for ages, you know, because I'm on something, the mobile. Yep, I'm on my mobile, okay? We got mobile transfer, all right, on your phone that you can just transfer, buy stuff with your phone, send money to people, top up your phone with your phone, everything's with your phone. I haven't seen cash in ages, all right, guys? It's all about the phone. So now let's get to tip number 6 or leh. All right, guys, so with tip number 6 is tipping, all right, after money. I know you guys mostly come all from the Western world, all right, the diaspora, the tourists. So tipping over here, there's no such thing as tipping, all right, guys. Now, if you want to give, you know, extra money, that's on you, but there's no such thing as tipping in the whole of Somaliland, all right, guys. So no one's gonna even ask you for a tip. Over here, they ask you for money. You know, don't ask you for a tip. So just know the difference, all right, guys. Number 7 or totoba. What is it? Totoba?
Todoba.
Todoba. Todoba.
Not Todoba. Todoba.
Todoba. So it's a dot.
Da.
Da.
Yeah. It's not a da, it's a da.
It's a dot.
Yeah.
So like my
it's between da and da.
Yo, if you don't speak Arabic, good luck to you. Todoba. Todoba. Todoba.
It's close.
Okay. We'll just go on.
Yeah.
Todoba or number 7, alright, guys, is accommodation. Alright, guys, I know most of you, when you come here, you don't want to be sleeping on the streets. You need to sleep somewhere, yeah? Okay, so we have here hotels, we've got apartments, we have guest house, we have house for rental, you know, and of course the one that I love, family house. You can always stay at a family, you know, like we are all related somehow, the Somalis. So you're gonna have a family that lives here in Somaliland or in the city that you're from. All right, guys, so just remember that. Yo, bro, Wi-Fi is not working, man.
We are recording.
What? Oh, sorry about that. What number are we on?
8, man.
8. Okay, 8 is KO Tip Sagal, which is 8 in Somali. All right, guys. So what we're going to have is.
It's there, bro.
I totally forgot.
Sit there, bro.
I totally forgot, yo. Okay. It's getting hot in this room. Alright, let's do this again. Listen. Number 8 or Sagal is.
Sit there, bro.
Oh, is Sidid? What's Sagal? 9?
Sagal is 9.
Oh, okay, my bad. Alright, okay. Let's do this. Sidid, right?
Yeah.
But Sidid. Alright, Sidid is Wi-Fi. Alright, guys. With Wi-Fi, we've got Wi-Fi most, like 90% of places, cafes, restaurants, hotels, most of the places you go to eat or drink and things like that, people's houses, obviously you got Wi-Fi, you know. By the way, which one are you guys? Comment down below. Are you like, how long does it take you to ask for Wi-Fi when you visit someone in the house, huh? Be honest, be truthful. Comment down below if you guys like ask straight away as soon as you come in, like, yo, give me your Wi-Fi though, still, you know, or you wait for a bit and then you ask for the Wi-Fi. Let me know, comment down below, alright? Anyway, so Wi-Fi is everywhere. It's not exactly Dubai where you have Wi-Fi all on the streets, everywhere you go, you know, free Wi-Fi on the buses and things. But oh, talking about Wi-Fi on the buses, yo, this is not a sponsored video, by the way, at all, is Sehel. Sehel has Wi-Fi on its buses. When you go from city to city, they got Wi-Fi on their buses. So you get Wi-Fi even on buses. I know they said you don't, but that's just when you're going from a city to city, alright guys? Just know that. Number 9, KO tip number Sagal. Alright guys? So, yep, that's that green thing you see here, that thing is called qat, alright? Or in English, chat. All right, guys. So that's Khat, all right, or Chat, depending how you spell it. All right, guys. So what this is a plant. All right, and it's a plant that gets you high. So the plant is legal here, so like you can eat it. A lot of people here have it. So if you guys see people just chewing like goats, that's just what they're chewing on. They're chewing on that, all right, guys? But in some countries, I know in the UK where I'm from, Manchester 0161, qat is illegal. Like in the UK, qat is illegal. So, but it's legal here, all right, guys? So yeah, everyone does chat here or qat. Tip number 10, or KO tip taban, all right, guys? So, clothing, okay? Now, I know it's going to be summer. I know you guys will want to be wearing shorts and things like that, sleeveless cuts and everything. Listen, I can't tell the girls what to wear. Of course, modest dress is 100% recommended, okay? But from experience from the guys, I just want to tell you that wearing shorts here in Somaliland is doable. You can wear shorts, but trust me, you're gonna get loads of stares, you're gonna get loads of reactions, like people gonna react, people gonna tell you stuff. Like, you're not gonna get locked up for wearing shorts, all right, guys? So it's not illegal, but just my recommendations, clothing, just dress modest, all right, guys? So make sure for the guys is your shorts are past your knees, okay, or wear pants. Wearing vests, I hardly see people wear vests, but again, I wouldn't recommend wearing vests unless you're playing football. If you're playing football, wear your shorts, wear everything. The ladies, I'm not sure, maybe if you guys vote for more to know more about the clothing, I'll bring a girl, a friend of mine, and she can talk about like what to wear for the ladies and things like that. KO tip Koya Taban, which is 11 in Somali, alright, guys? We are going to tell you the difference between Somaliland and Somalia. You ready? These are just quick ones, okay? If you want me to go into more details, remember, this has to get more than 300 likes, and comment down below. If that has more votes, I'll do something about it. But 1, 2, 3. You see the differences? Alright, guys? So now I just want to say, oh, hang on, what's the date, by the way? Oh, today's 26th of June. You know what that day is? Today is Happy Independence Day to Somaliland, which got independence from the British territory on June 26, 1960. So, that's the end of the vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let's smash that 300 like, okay? And also, let's comment down below which tip you want me to go more into detail first. All right, guys? I can't do it all at one time. So whichever has the most vote, I will go for that. Also, guys, I'm getting nominated for Somaliland Award. So I'd like you to nominate me, actually, for Somaliland Award for Young Achiever of the Year. Okay, guys? Also, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification button so you know when my videos are going to be coming out. Alright, guys, if you like this, show me some love, hit the like button, and I love you guys. Peace, blessings, ski ski. I'm out.